Hey everyone! Today we're making super cute Eid decorations that are quick, easy, and totally worth it. Just follow along and in minutes you'll have beautiful handmade decor to brighten up your space. First, grab a 20 by 25 centimeter sheet of craft paper and fold it in half. Unfold it, then fold it up to the crease we just made. Repeat the fold one more time to create even sections. Now, accordion fold both sides of the paper. Use craft paper. It's cheap and easy to work with. Avoid canson paper since it's too stiff and harder to fold. Once the folds are done, fold the entire piece in half and cut the edges diagonally. To make cutting easier, do it in 2 batches so the paper isn't too thick. Staple the edges together and fluff it out. You'll get a half-circle shape. You can use glue instead of staples if you prefer. Repeat the process with another shape and attach it to the other side to form a full circle. Now, let's add some decorative elements. Grab a different colored paper and cut a 1.5 centimeter diameter circle. You can use a compass or even trace a bottle cap. Glue the circle to the center of the flower. For variety, cut out a 2.5 centimeter circle, then draw and cut a half-moon shape inside it. Place the moon at the center of another flower for a different look. Next, let's make a star. Use a 4 by 4 centimeter paper and follow my star tutorial, linked in the description. Attach the star to the center of another flower. Look how festive and cute they turned out. Now, let's make an Eid banner. Start with a printed design. Either print one out or lightly trace it off your screen with a pencil. Cut out the initials in a slightly wavy way for a handcrafted look. Tape them onto canson paper, then cut them out evenly. Repeat the process for all the letters. For the background, grab a 16 by 16 centimeter paper, fold it in half, and draw a diagonal line. Cut along the line and unfold. It should be a perfect triangle. Place it on a colored paper and trace around it. For a fun effect, use zigzag scissors to cut the edges, but regular scissors work too. Repeat for 8 more triangles. Now, glue each letter onto a triangle. Then, apply wax glue to the top of each triangle and attach them to a wool string. You can find wool strings or satin rolls at any stationery store. They're super affordable. Hang everything up and there you have it. The cutest Happy Eid wall decoration ever. I'd love to hear what you think, so drop a comment below. And if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more easy craft ideas. See you in the next one.